Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating num lock. Look top right or on a separate keypad. It might say num LK. Press it once to toggle. Observe the indicator LED if present. If nothing changes, check for an FN mode on laptops or verify an external numeric keypad is connected. Once done, open a text field and try 7, 8, 9 on the pad to see if numbers appear. These first actions show whether the key is functioning, and they narrow down hardware versus software causes. Once you see inconsistent results, dig into Settings. In Windows, check Ease of Access for mouse keys and ensure they are off. Then reboot and check BIOS/UEFI for numlock default at startup. Make sure keyboard drivers are current. Reinstall if necessary. On laptops, use FN combined with numlock or numLK. Some models require FN lock to allow numeric pad. Try an external USB keypad to determine if the laptop hardware is the limiter. You finish by setting your preferred default. Enter BIOS or UEFI and enable numlock at boot, save, and exit. This makes behavior consistent. If the key still fails, update keyboard firmware or swap the keyboard to isolate a hardware fault. As a quick workaround, open the on-screen keyboard or remap numeric functions with a trusted utility. If nothing helps, test the device on another computer. If it works there, the issue is system-specific. If not, replace the keypad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.